early morning rush at ayan po may snowstorm po tayo ngayong umaga. So makikita po ninyo yan mga kaibigan, very poor po ang visibility ng pagmamaneho. So kailangan po talagang naka-on yung wiper. Mahirap po ang magmaneho ng snowstorm kasi madulas po yung daan. So kailangan din po na matindi ang grip mo sa manibela para hindi ka paano kasi nag-i-skid po siya, nag-i-skid po yung sasakyan kasi madulas po talaga. So yung kung na-try po ninyo na magmaneho sa may mga putikan, parang ganun po yung feeling pag ganito na maraming snow kasi madulas at yung tulad ng nasabi ko kanina, nag-i-skid yung sasakyan. So I will be sharing you how to drive during a snowstorm. So during this time we know to drive very slowly and we must keep distance between vehicles. Distance between vehicles is a key when driving in a snowstorm because you need a reasonable amount of space and time to brake safely. Kasi kung minsan po kahit naka-brake ka na, minsan parang lumulusot yung brake dahil sa sobrang madulas yung daan. So by that you can easily lose traction if you slam on the brakes. So you better keep your speed down, and if other drivers choose to tailgate or drive faster, let them pass you. Okay, so may mga tips po ako na i-share. 5 tips for safe winter driving. Okay, so ito po i-share ko po siya. Number 1 is don't panic, remain calm. Slamming on your brakes or the gas will only make things worse. So instead of accelerating or turning quickly, ease off the gas and let the traction of your tires steers the vehicle without touching the brake or gas pedals. And steer in the direction you want to go. And once you're off an icy patch, it's okay to accelerate again. So halimbawa dito po makikita po ninyo na may mga dumadaang loader dyan. Yan po, naglilinis po sila ng kalsada. Medyo okay na po yung daan, hindi na po siya masyadong icy. Pwede ka pong mag-speed ng konti pag ganyan na pag medyo nalinis na. Pero yung dadaanan po natin dyan na hindi pa masyadong malinis na pero may na-accumulate snow pa rin, kailangan po na huwag kang mag-accelerate. So yan po. During a snowstorm, it's really windy and snowing and sometimes it's freezing cold. So you need to make sure your car is cleared out to ensure the visibility from the driver's seat is clear. So brush all off the window, the hood of your car, and your tailgates and headlights. Actually dito may law po sila na don't drive an igloo. Meaning to say, pag mong i-drive yung sasakyan mo na punong-puno ng snow, kailangang linisin mo yan or else pag natsampahan ko po ng pulis, huhulihin ka at bibigyan ka ng ticket. Kaya ayan po, make sure na wala pong snow yung sasakyan mo. Of course may mga maiiwan dyan sa sasakyan mo, pero at least po yung walang snow na parang bundok. Kasi pag nag-drive ka tapos hindi mo nilinis yung sasakyan mo, may mga chances na habang nag-drive ka lilipad yung mga snow from your sasakyan. It's either mapupunta sa yung windshield o sa windshield ng iba that will cause an accident. So mapapansin po ninyo yan, may snow, so medyo traffic po talaga ngayong umaga. Kasi yung mga patakbo ng mga sasakyan is medyo mahina, hindi sila nag-accelerate. So kung mapapansin mo ninyo dyan, medyo traffic jam po sa may banda ng sa may banda dito. So ayan po, this is a crossroad and traffic po talaga. But we need to wait, we need to obey the rules. Okay? So failing to clear the road of the snow may result into falling out of your windshield when you decelerate. And it's finable offense in some provinces dito po sa Canada. May mga kanya-kanya po yung provinces na implementation tungkol sa mga ganito. Tulad po ng sasakyan dyan sa harapan, makikita po ninyo na marami pa po siyang snow sa taas sa kanyang hood. pero sige pa rin. Pag natsambahan ko siya ng pulis, bibigyan ko yan ng ticket. Freezing weather conditions can result into ice buildup in your vehicle surface.
Bye, Luis! I love you!
Dito po yung spray sa sasakyan, hindi po siya ordinaryong tubig, kundi ang tawag nila doon is defroster or the ice spray. Ito po parang para mas mabilis po yung pagtunaw ng snow sa inyong windshield, at saka mas madali po siyang i-spray.
Bye, Luis! I love
Kasi
you!
kung talagang malamig na malamig po, nagiging ice po yung snow sa may windshield, sa mga bintana. So malabo po yung paningin mo sa labas, no? So kailangan talagang i-scrape mo yung ice. And yung the ice spray is nakakatulong po na tanggalin na medyo agad-agad yung snow. Ayan po. Time check is 7:35 in the morning. And this is a neighborhood. Kita po ninyo puting-puti yung kalsada. Ibig sabihin wala pa pong naglinis dito. And good thing kasi 15 to 20 centimeters lang po yung snow namin ngayon. So hindi po siya masyadong mataas o maraming snow. Pero maghapon po ang snow niya ngayon. So why not? Baka mamayang gabi lubog na naman yung mga sasakyan na nakikita ninyo sa snow. Ayan po. Napakaganda pong tignan yung mga after snow, no? Yan yung parang natutumba na yung tree, pero ganyan po talaga yung itsura niya. Ang ganda po siyang tignan. Sana dumating siya nung Pasko para kahit white Christmas talaga. Ayan. Dito po tayo sa may bandang Dicari Boulevard. Nakikita po ninyo dito na may mga heavy trucks equipment. Pakalat-kalat po yan sa mga daan kasi they really need to clean the road to avoid accident. So dumaan yung isa kanina, andyan na naman. Yung sa baba po is yan po yung freeway, parang highway na dyan sa baba. So yan po. Makikita po ninyo yung sasakyan sinusundan natin, nag-skid po siya. Tignan nyo yung gulong, parang dumadaan siya sa tubig, no? Yan, so kailangan po talagang slow down yung pag-drive. Yung mga heavy truck equipment, katabi po niya is a police car. They are really making sure na time by time nililinis nila yung kalsada kasi this is to avoid accident. Ayun po, magkasunod na heavy equipment. Tapos after 3 minutes drive, may makikita na naman po tayo ng mga ganyan na ating mga madadaanan. So, maigi rin kasi they really maintain na malinis, lalong-lalo na itong mga highways. The best ways to avoid an accident is to make sure you're seen on the road by all motorists and the pedestrians. Kailangan sigurado din na naka-on yung headlights mo and cleared ng snow ang yung sasakyan o yung windshield, especially yung mga side mirrors, walang mga barriers ng mga snow. Because being distracted is very so dapat maintain a safe distance between other vehicles. And it could be difficult to see other vehicles in your blind spot, especially during a snowstorm. So it's really important to keep it slow, take your time, and keep your eyes peeled for all types of movement on the road. So kailangan maliksi ka rin sa blind spot mo and all that. So hold the grip to your steering wheel. Ngayong umaga po, ngayong araw na to, kinancel po yung schools para sa mga daycare, sa mga elementary kasi dahil sa SnowStorm. So, it's also very important to plan ahead before you drive. You need to check the weather forecast and check if it's terrible outside. Maybe you should avoid getting behind the wheel altogether. So, the best practice is to wait until a snowstorm has calmed or until you're sure that the road maintenance vehicles have recently visited the roads. So, yun po yung mga tips na dapat alalahanin when driving during a snowstorm. Ayan po, maraming salamat po mga kaibigan sa inyong muling pagsama sa amin. Thank you so much. If you are planning to drive on the winter conditions, you need to stay on the main roads to avoid unclogged o yung para ma-avoid po yung mga hindi pa nalinis na mga kalsada or yung mga kalsada po na hindi pa nalagyan ng salt, because this will minimize your chances of getting in a vehicle related accident due to poor road maintenance. So pag may mga snowstorm forecast po, nakikita po ninyo yung mga malalaking truck na naglalagay po sila ng asin o kaya yung parang pebbles sa kalsada. This is to avoid po yung para at least po ma-avoid yung hindi po siya masyadong madulas. So ayan po, so thank you so much. We are just I hope you enjoy this video and see you all guys next time.